What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at a gaming headset. This one comes from ONIKUMA. It's the gaming headset K5. Now this one actually has like almost 1,500 reviews and it's got a 5-star. Not only that, but it's an Amazon choice. Right now it's only 25 bucks, so very affordable. It's also compatible with PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo, PC, Mac, pretty much anything you can get your hands on. It's gonna be compatible with it. It's not Bluetooth, it is wired. I'm not sure if the K5 is like an upgrade to a K4. I don't know if there is a K4, but they're saying that it has an improved noise canceling microphone, so that's good. Let's see, we got instructions. First off, it has like a 6.5 foot long braided cable, very tough. As you can see, it has a USB and it also has this adapter with a 3.5, and then you've got your mic and your audio. And then up the line, you've got this pretty cool looking volume control. It's got a mute switch on it, which is always good for gaming, so you can quickly mute your microphone, and then it has your volume knob. And now look at that cushion. They're saying that it's actually soft breathing material for play all night comfort. As a gamer, that is very important. Sometimes you do pull an all-nighter, it just depends on the game. By the way, anybody playing Red Dead Redemption 2? I am, and it's amazing. Now the top cushion is huge. I've actually never seen a headset with that big of cushion on the top. That is extremely soft and very thick. I mean, look how big that is. Covered with this big plastic. It's all plastic. On the outside, it's labeled left. I believe this is an LED light. We'll find out once we plug it in. Then on that side, you've got right, but no extra controls on the outside. You got your microphone boom. You can put it all the way up. You can put it down like this. Is it adjustable? Oh, it is adjustable. It's very stiff though. I don't know if that lights up. That's gonna be cool if it does. Oh, wow. Oh, I feel like I'm in a cockpit right now. Look like I'm about to pilot a helicopter. That's like a helmet. No joke, that feels like a helmet. Have you ever put a motorcycle helmet on? That's what that feels like. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is very nice. Shake test? No, but extremely cushiony. Wow, I'm definitely digging that. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Oh yeah, that's cool. And then the microphone, it does light up. It's not bad. It's got some pretty decent sound. You know, the bass, the bass isn't like super dominant, but it definitely is clear. Wow. It's very bassy.
In London on February 15th.
It's got a pretty good sound. There's definitely bass going on though. Rhett and Link, they sound a little more bassy than usual. Almost like a muffle, kind of. Let's test the microphone. Oh, come on, really? I don't know, Audacity's not running, so I just downloaded an app. So right now you are hearing me on the Rode Mic Pro. Now you should be hearing me on the headset. Test, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now switching back over to the Rode Mic Pro, going back over to the microphone, this is what I would sound like if we were gaming together. All right, now I'm gonna listen to it. Wow, that sounds really good. It's turned up, yeah. Wow. From what I heard just now, just recording it on here and then listening back through the headset, that sounded really good, like way more clear than a lot of other headsets that I've tested out before, so kudos on them. They were right, good microphone, and I didn't hear any like background noise or anything, so that was pretty good. I gotta say, 25 bucks, this is probably the best value that I've seen for a gaming headset. It sounds great, super comfortable. I mean, extremely comfortable. These ear pads, they're not the biggest of ear cushions that I've seen, but they're definitely very soft and cushy. My ears weren't getting overheated or anything, but this top part is almost so ridiculous. I mean, it's way overkill than I think anybody needs, but thank you for doing that, because it's great. It's so cushiony, my thumb disappears. It's great. The construction, it seems like it's pretty durable plastic. It's got flexibility to it. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, 5 being what I would expect, highs, mids, and lows, I'm gonna give them all a 5. With these kind of headsets, I really don't expect very much anyway. I would say that they pretty much met my expectations considering I'm spending only $25. Comfort level's really good. They're stylish. I like the LED accents. They're not too overpowering. Me personally, I think you get a lot less from most gaming headphones that are only 25 bucks, so I think this is a pretty good deal. It's not bad, and you know, they don't look bad either. Definitely check them out. Anyway guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.